A happy and loving marriage is built on trust and respect. It can only be sustained if you are both deeply committed to always being open and truthful in every exchange, no matter how small.
Heartbeat in the quiet, spotlight in an empty room.
Growing up, Elizabeth was the bossy one in our family, and still is. She has the uncanny ability to take charge of any situation, and trust me, she makes sure everyone knows it. But as the years went by, I realized that her bossiness was just the outer layer that concealed the incredible warmth and love that she has for everyone around her.
I thank God for putting an angel like you in my life. You have saved me and showed me what true love looks like.
So when I got asked to do this, I went online like every teenage kid does nowadays and tried to find some inspiration. And the first thing it told me was to not mention any ex-girlfriends. Alex didn't have any, so we're good there. We're good.
I prayed for so many years for someone like you. Someone who is loving, caring, compassionate, funny, honest, and faithful. You fit all of those qualities. God truly made you for me and me for you. And I am so eternally grateful to Him for writing our love story.
These two people are great. Sweet and simple. They're made for each other. They breathe the same air, and they do it together.
Here is to forever, your loving husband. Look forward to starting a new chapter in my life with you.
I, Alex, take you, Elizabeth,
I, Alex, take you
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I, Elizabeth, take you, Alex,
I, Elizabeth, take you, Alex,
to be my husband,
to be my husband.
to have and to hold,
To have and to hold
from this day forward,
this day forward.
for better or for worse,
For better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health.
I promise to love
Promise to love
and cherish you
and cherish you.
all the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
It is my honor and delight to pronounce you as husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.
I searched the whole world, every corner, every
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to introduce you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Jordan.
I searched the whole wide world for you. To the ends of the earth. In the depths
It's heartwarming to see that Alex has embraced our family just as Elizabeth values. This truly is a match made in heaven, and have no doubt that their love will continue to grow stronger with each passing day.
to the ends of the earth. In the depths
And we thank everybody for coming tonight, enjoying the festivities, the meal, the caterers, the flowers. We want it to be special for them. And let's give them a big round of applause.
Anyone who knows Alex knows he loves big and with his whole heart. So Liz, we know that you're the missing piece to Alex's puzzle. I love you, brother, and I love you, sister.